So what can you do with Microsoft Stream? Well, on the right-hand side, when you click on Microsoft Stream to record a video, you'll have these tools here on the right-hand side. So you can add text by clicking that A, choose the font, then type in the text. Then you can move the text wherever you want. That's how I had this "Welcome to Mr. Page's class" written on the chalkboard. You could also draw. That's how I drew this little smiley face I put on the chalkboard. You can add a sticker. This 100 right here is a sticker. There are many other stickers like smiley faces, etc. You can put them wherever you want. This is a filter tool, which I don't have right now. And this is a frame. You can add a frame, which we had in the earlier part of the video where on the perimeter you saw like a jungle scene. That's a frame. And there's many other frames you can choose from. And this is a board. Now, how a board works is kind of like a screen shade. And what you see here, up and down here, is all kind of like a starry background. And I could have put it about halfway across this video. So half of the side of the screen will be the starry background, and the other half could be me. And you could have some text and you could have some images on the right half. On the other half, you could have the person speaking. You could actually pull the screen shade all the way across the video. So there's actually no camera showing a person, and there's just the starry background and whatever text and images. Or like I did, I put it about maybe 2/5 of the side of the right-hand side of the screen, so I can include these images and this text. That's what this board is. And then finally, you can upload a photo. Now, what I did was I took a screenshot of that Microsoft Stream logo, and I also took a screenshot of the right toolbar, and I downloaded them on my computer, and then I uploaded them as photos, and that's how I have these two things. So this toolbar is actually a photo, and this Microsoft Stream logo is a photo. A lot of these tools are very much similar to Flip, where you can add tools, add images, add stickers, add text, and you can make your video engaging, but also you can make it informative by having the text and images inform the audience of whatever you'd like the audience to know. Now, there's also a background here. This is a classroom background. So right below where you record on the left-hand side, or maybe the right-hand side, depending on what perspective you have, there's a background tool, and you can choose a background. Of course, I chose the classroom. You can also make it so that you're in the center, kind of enlarged form, if you're the person speaking, and that's where I am right now. Or right above me, I can choose to be in the right, and then it will make a minimized version of me on the right-hand side, or I can choose in the left, and it will make a minimized version of me on the left-hand side. And that way, there's a smaller version, and I'm speaking in the bottom left, bottom right, or a larger version in the middle. Now, what's cool is the bottom left and bottom right versions, I can move that image of me or whoever it is that's speaking and put me wherever I want on the screen. I actually chose one of the smaller bottom left ones and then moved it so I was standing behind that desk. And that desk that was earlier in the video was also an image that I uploaded. There's lots of tools that you can use in Microsoft Stream to make your videos engaging visually and text-based to inform the audience.